Okay, Matt, this unboxing is for you. For you. Only you. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Here it is. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera Pro 6K. The small rig full cage, which I probably won't use, but maybe, just in case. The Pocket Cinema Camera Pro EVF. And a bunch of little accessories. How exciting! Oh, the XLR to XLR audio cables that I needed for my speakers. No, I guess those aren't for my speakers because they're only like 50 centimeters long. They're for the camera. And 2 extra batteries. Not too shabby. So, next will come the unboxing of the box within the box. First of all, I'd like to thank Android for helping me make this video rather than this new Blackmagic Pocket Camera 6K Pro. But maybe it'll be the last time I make an Android video. And I'd like to thank the folks at B&H Photography for always being willing to take my money no matter how much I want to spend. So here's the unboxing of this. I think this part may be edited out. Doodly doo, doodly doo. So now, on to the unboxing of the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. It's a beautiful box, albeit typical. We have the Blackmagic neck strap, which I'm sure we'll use all the time. The instructions along with the install for DaVinci Resolve 18 Studio, so I can have the full version of it. A charger cable. Another battery, so now I have 3. And the reason I bought 2 extra batteries is because I hear battery life is not great. Then there are a bunch of adapters for whatever country that you're in, which is good because I may be in a few different countries. A beautiful styrofoam insert. And here it is, the next generation 6K 6144 by 3456 digital film Super 35 with 13 stops, HDR, dual ISO up to 25.6, and built-in ND filters. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. What? I'm gonna touch it. Okay, and then the only other things in the box are the holder for the battery charger and the cable. So pretty simple actually. And I cannot wait to get the battery charged up, get a card in this puppy, and get it going. I think I decided that I'm going to try this one dude's suggestion of flipping this down and using an external hard drive to shoot to. But for now, I'm going to put my CFast and regular SD card in here to shoot with. And I'm assuming, yep, battery goes right in there. So OMG, this thing is set up so much like a Canon, just with where the trigger release is and the function buttons. Everything here, there's 2 mounts on the bottom for your tripod. I'll probably figure out what all that's about. And then on the other end, you have your headphones, microphone, HDMI, USB audio in ports, and then your ND filters right here, plus minus, so you don't have to like even get out. You can like be shooting and it just goes like that. So I don't know, I'm gonna try, once I get the batteries charged up, I'm gonna try shooting with just this screen rather than the EV filter, or I'm sorry, the EVF, the electronic viewfinder, and see how it goes. So I'll be back after I've charged it and put a card in it and get my first experience shooting with it. But yeah, I mean, seriously, it's heavier than the Canon and it's bulkier. It almost feels like the 5D4 when I have the extra battery grip on it, but it feels good. And I'm gonna go grab some EF lenses and get this puppy going. Back later. So this is the profile of the Blackmagic pocket camera with a tiny little 50mm EF lens on it. And just for the sake of illustration, I am going to show you how I get this in my pocket, since it's a pocket camera. Nope, I guess that's not gonna work. I don't really have any cameras that would fit this. I would call it more of a pouch camera. Now, granted, it's smaller than a big cine camera, but it